demand certain things. It becomes more aggressive when somebody demanding and somebody is not agreeing to it. Then it becomes more aggressive because we want it. If people are saying we need to give them reasonable this. At your age, you would think that immediately it could be done. Maybe if they are saying that it will take 2 days or if it will take 5 days, then you have to listen and then give some time. Maybe you can bring 5 days, 3 days, 4 days, something like that. Everything cannot be put on the ransom, and then everything cannot be. So that we have to. That is only one of my requests that we can make. I think he has committed me today that 2 he will put immediately, isn't it? I think in the morning he said 2 barricades in either, because I told him in fact that 3 कम से कम डालिए. Then he said that 3 नहीं है अभी हमारे पास. So if you cannot he cannot say that somebody somewhere है उसको उठा के तो वहाँ से लेके आके डाल दीजिए. But he will put 2 immediately. I think that within 1 hour. Not within, I mean within 1 hour or so, something like that. Today we have collected. We will go back and I think let us look at the strategized better how university, college ability can help with you to get it done rather than giving an impression that a student will demand and student will get it done by their own and authority is not supporting it. I don't think that's the case. Even if that some communication that might be there, because I did think that because you already met these people before, I came to know only through your communication. I thought that they have told you 2 days or 7 days or 6 days.
स्टूडेंट गुस्सा क्यों है? 2 दिन का बोला था कि हम 2 दिन में बैरिकेड देंगे. हम कब आए थे? शुक्रवार. सर आज मंडे हो गया. हमें में आए थे, गुरुवार को आए थे. तो सर शुक्र आज उन्होंने तो कई बार होता है आपका. अच्छा सर अभी और सर इसके अलावा 2 आदमी भी गेट पे दिया ऐसा बोला था, पर आज नहीं है, कल शाम को भी नहीं था. वो सिर्फ 1 दिन देखा है हमने, उसके अलावा आदमी नहीं है. उनको हम पूछ रहे हैं तो वो बोल रहे हैं वो कहीं चला जाता है. तुम भी जानते हो गवर्नमेंट वाला है, कभी किधर चला जाता है. ये अभी हमारा प्रॉब्लम नहीं बोला है और आधे घंटे पहले जब प्रशासन ये जवाब देगा तो स्टूडेंट क्या करेगा?
Whatever issues you have, how we we have talked to. I think there is some kind of communication gap somehow because
कल्प्रिट पकड़ने का बात भी बोला है, अभी कोई वो नहीं है.
अच्छा सर आप जो ऐसे बोल रहे थे ऑथोरिटी भी स्टूडेंट के साथ ही थे, ऐसा नहीं है कि वो लोग एग्री नहीं कर. सर ये एक्सीडेंट तो कुछ 1 वीक पहले से नहीं हो रहा है ना सर. 10 ईयर्स 15 ईयर्स से एक्सीडेंट
थोड़ा देर. Yes,
बहुत पहले से सर पहले मैं सर इतना दिनों से हो रहा है. जो सिस्टम है, सिस्टम ने बोर्ड लगा दिया कि एक्सीडेंट प्रोन एरिया है, स्लो चलिए, फिर भी एक्सीडेंट हो रहा है. सिस्टम भी उसके बाद कोई नेक्स्ट स्टेप नहीं. सर के पास कोई नेक्स्ट स्टेप ही नहीं कि उसके बाद बैरिकेड लगाना है, स्पीड ब्रेकर लगाना है. चलो नेशनल हाईवे पे स्पीड ब्रेकर नहीं लगा सकते, नेशनल हाईवे के सामने कॉलेज है, एक्सीडेंट हो रहा है. आप लोग तो कुछ स्टेप लेंगे ना. इतने साल से अथॉरिटी भी, कॉलेज अथॉरिटी भी कोई स्टेप नहीं ले रहा. क्यों नहीं ले रहा? सारे के सारे बाइक से गाड़ी से आते हैं, उन लोगों को ना फुटपाथ चाहिए, उन लोगों को ना लाइट चाहिए. स्टूडेंट का प्रॉब्लम तो अथॉरिटी सर, अथॉरिटी अपने पब्लिसिटी के लिए सीएम साल में कर रहे हैं. हमारे कॉलेज में बड़े बड़े पॉलिटिशियन आ रहे हैं, सेंट्रल मिनिस्टर तक आ रहे हैं. एक बात होती है सर, ये नहीं रख सकता कि स्ट्रीट लाइट, फुटपाथ जो नेसेसरी चीज़ है, इवन लोकल के लिए भी, इवन हम लोग स्टाफ मेंबर का डेथ हुआ, ऐसा नहीं कि स्टूडेंट का कुछ हुआ.
इसीलिए
तो हम लोग सर ये कैसे सोचे कि अथॉरिटी सच में सीरियस है, अथॉरिटी के ऊपर से हो भी चले, तो इसलिए डायरेक्ट सर से रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं.
और उस दिन सर लेटर आपको ईमेल आया था, आपने शिवोत्तम को क्या बोला है? मतलब उस दिन आप बोले ना उसको कि आप जो कर रहे हैं
That day we talked na, like, so we are just doing all this regarding that.
How many?
No, no, no.
How many of
Listen, listen.
you students came to the?
No, listen. I in good faith of the administration. Morning also I had spoken to the SDM. Before, in fact, the accident happened, we had a discussion already with the SP, and SP had expressed their limitation that immediately they don't have the barricade funds, and to which they said that if college, I mean, in fact, we said that if college can sponsor that, then they said that it can be done immediately. I mean, it will be done faster. Immediately means not just now. So that we have already had this. We have to just give, I mean, tell him again that we are willing, and then please order that. So that order has not been issued. That we are taking. We will take already. In fact, by the time SWO and the warden they were making the letter to go, we were thinking that we will go morning there. Then suddenly we were expecting you all to be in the class, and for PG student also we wanted to discuss the research issue. Everything has worked simultaneously, particularly when the administration is with you. The administration is not something like you versus student versus administration versus this administration is not like that. In this stage, whenever I have spoken, SDPO, SDM also I have spoken morning. I think just I was waiting for 10, so I called him sharp 10 before you guys will come. And he also said that he will come and he will sit and then actually see how many things immediately will come to it. No problem. Where is your Lambuchar outpost person?
Sir,
Oh,
please.
so I had spoken to him couple of when you had given the representation. That time he also came. He also came day for yesterday. I forgot his name. आप भी है ना? आपसे उनसे भी सबसे. So we were not like he's not doing anything. So if you have a grievance, I think apology from my part that I have not been proactively, or somehow communication gap has built up between me and you. I don't know how it happened and what I could have done better. I also have to figure out. I have to listen, in fact, from you all also when we go back and we will listen. So you see, to demand certain things. It becomes more aggressive when somebody are demanding and somebody is not agreeing.